Welcome. In front of me I have iPhone Air, and today I'll be showing you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So, I'll be using Windows for this, but you can also do the same thing using a MacBook. If you have that, don't worry, the process is basically the same. There's actually a disadvantage by using Windows, which is that we need to download the garbage programs that will be required for this. So, if you're a Windows user, join me on that journey. We're gonna navigate to the greatest store that no one wants to use, which is Microsoft Store, because that's where we can only download this garbage. And you're gonna search for Apple devices. Now, if you're wondering, because maybe you used to use iTunes, why are we downloading Apple devices? Well, that's because iTunes decided that iTunes was outdated. So they changed nothing, separated the program into two separate ones, as we have Apple Music and Apple devices now. They made it even shittier based on the reviews. 2.1 stars is even lower than iTunes, and iTunes was already abysmally low. Congrats, you have succeeded at making even shittier version of iTunes. Amazing. Anyway, in here, once you download the Apple devices, you can open it up, and we're gonna plug in our device. Now, if you're using a Mac, all you want to do is open up your Finder, and in Finder you'll find the name of your device, like whatever name, iPhone. Click on it, and when you do, you'll see a page like this one. So that's basically all we need. And here, once your device is plugged in, what we want to do is press volume up, then volume down, and you want to hold power button for the remainder of the time. So up, down, power. The device will turn off in a moment, then it's going to start turning on, and you want to continuously hold power button. So here it's turning on, and next we all see our recovery mode. There we go. So that's how you boot your phone into the recovery mode. Now on the computer side, let's give it a moment. It takes a while for the old iTunes to detect that the device is in the recovery mode. And when it does, it gives us this pop-up, so it thinks that there's a problem. No, there wasn't. We can update our device, restore, meaning restore usually means something else than what Apple considers a restore. So what they want to do is basically reset your device. Reset, restore. I know these are very similar to each other, but let's not expect too much from Tim Cook. He is basically senile at this point. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna cancel this. You also have the option to restore or update it from here as well. And anyway, assuming you don't want to do anything like that, you can leave this mode by just holding, again, pressing volume up, volume down, and holding power button. When the screen disappears, you can let go of them. There we go. So we can let go, and the device will turn on its own. We can also unplug the cable. It's only needed to enter the recovery mode. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.